Evan here with Cedar Hill Innovations, talking today about our solar LED skylights, the easiest way to bring more light into your home. They install in minutes, not hours or days. It'll take you longer to dig out your ladder than it will to install a solar LED skylight. Yes, you can do this. Adding extra light using traditional electric lights usually requires an electrician or at least a contractor. That, of course, adds extra cost onto the project. If you tackle these sorts of projects yourself, you are well aware of what's involved. Junction boxes, cutting holes in drywall, fishing line through walls, yeah, you know. Of course, traditional skylights are great. They bring in tons of light, but they also require tons of extra work. That's why the tubular types are popular for retrofitting, but those two still are a little tricky to install and usually require a contractor. That's the beauty of Cedar Hill solar LED skylights. They are super easy to install. Just a few screws and the rest is plug and play. Yes, you can do this. No large holes required in your roof, or often no holes at all. Many times the solar panel wire is able to run inside through existing cable paths like those that exist for TV or internet, or through existing roof vents. No tricky duct-like reflective tubing to build or deal with. The solar panel wire is long and flexible, which makes it easy to put the solar panel where it makes sense and put the ceiling light where you need it. No contractors or electricians needed. Yes, you can do this. Again, it installs in minutes, not hours or days. Our latest version released is a battery charge system for day and night operation triggered by motion. Come home to a bright house regardless of the season or the weather conditions. They're especially ideal for those that face power outages during harsh storms, blizzards, or rolling blackouts. Cedar Hill Innovations is based here in the greater Seattle area where it rains all the time. Our solar LED lights work great here, so it will work anywhere you're at. You deserve to enjoy a brighter future. To learn more, visit us online at cedarhillsolar.com.